What's going on, guys? I'm Reese Bowers. I rebuild street bikes, sports cars, Jeeps, trucks. If you're into that, follow my series Build on this Gsxr and subscribe.
Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt.
So I was working on the bike last night, got the thing apart, and I just got the rear axle, well, I think that's what's in here, in the mail. And I'm about to put the rear wheel on the bike, roll it out, and spray it down with Gsxr, then pressure wash it. I'm about to show you guys what it looks like right now. I think it looks better taken apart than it did together. Got the rear swing arm taken off of it. This is just setting on here. I need to get my friend Dylan to come by and weld this on, and then one on the other side too. Other than that, like, the only really bad thing I saw was it's missing the top end of the airbox. It had a bunch of wires hanging off of it that like weren't even hooked up. So that explains the F1 coding why it's kind of running a little funky. And look at this. So I thought it was leaking from the stator cover, but it actually is leaking down here where he JB welded the oil drain plug. So I'm gonna have to replace this whole upper oil pan gasket in it. So we got this off. Let's see what the oil looks like. I haven't even been able to see it because you can't see it through there. It doesn't look too bad.
I've been slipping back, heading south.
Use this thing and pressure wash her down. Start getting her looking pretty. This is about as worse as the bike is gonna look right now. Power in here at Gsxr, and so the water pump is leaking oil, so it got all down in there, and we're just trying to spray it all, let it soak in, and then pressure wash all the grease out of here, so it's a lot easier to work on.
Rising on up and then tumbling down, well, it's part of the process. Bar tabs on a hot night in a cold basement. You say I'm crazy, but I feel amazing. My mother told me that the world just got its plans. I wanna hold them till they burn right through my hands. Don't ask me questions.
Things actually cleaned up really good, dude. Look, all that overspray came off that. This is looking pretty clean. You know, that was all black. Obviously the former gas is gonna stay in here, but he was our cameraman today, came in clutch with a bunch of shots, so he's gonna get to ride the K8, rip it around a little bit.